मुस्कुराता हो। तालीम हमारी हर हाल में जारी। इस मकसद के तहत सूर्या उर्दू प्राइमरी स्कूल नागार्जुन नगर नांदेड़ के ऑनलाइन तालीमी सेशन में हम आपका इस्तकबाल करते हैं। जमात शशम मजमून अंग्रेजी 2.7 एडवाइस कस्टमर्स। इसके बाद हम क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम एडवाइस कस्टमर के सवाल के जवाब देख रहे हैं। डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस आफ्टर यू हैव सीन अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द एड। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हाट डज द एड टेल यू? आंसर है द एड टेल्स अस टू ईट crispy crunchy in any mood at any time and every time. Question number 2, how many times is the name crispy crunchy repeated in the ad? Why? Answer, the name crispy crunchy is repeated 9 times in the ad. It is done so to attract people to buy only crispy crunchy. Question number 3 है, what would happen if you never ate crispy crunchy? Answer है, you would have good health if you never ate crispy crunchy. Question number 4 है प्यारे बच्चों, what would happen if you ate proper meals like rice and dal or roti? Answer, if you ate proper meals like rice and dal or dal roti, you would become healthy. Question number 5, what would happen if you never ate fruits and vegetables? Answer है, if you never ate fruits and vegetables, you would not get balanced and nourishing diet. Next question है, discuss the following questions after you have seen a presentation of the ad. Question number first है उसमें, why does दीदी say no party for me? Answer है, she is sad because of her dark skin. Question number 2, can you become fair in 5 days? How long will the effect of the cream last? Answer है, nobody can become fair in 5 days. The effect of the cream lasts for a short time. Question number 3, will you love your brother or sister only if he or she is fair? Answer, no, whatever his her color of the skin, I will love him or her. Question number 4, think of the people you like. Do you like them because they have a fair skin or because of some other qualities? List those qualities. Answer, I like them not because of their fair skin but because of their good qualities, their good health, neat and tidy lifestyle, good behavior are the qualities that I like. प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे इस वीडियो की मदद से अपनी फेर कापियों को मुकम्मल कीजिए और फेर कापियों को मुकम्मल करने के बाद हमें लाकर बताइए। प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे वीडियो से ज़्यादा फ़ायदा उठाइए, उन्हें लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। सूर्या स्कूल ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन ये अपने ही स्कूल का चैनल है प्यारे बच्चों, इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। हम फिर मिलेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।